It's almost 6:40 in the morning and I'm gonna do my nails for you guys. This is what I'm gonna show you how to do. I'm not even sure how I did it. What I'm using is glitter and this glitter. My mini nail lamp. These are like brushes I use. This was a makeup eyebrow thingy. I just put wax in it so I can grab the glitters easier. This is just a paintbrush. This is just a fluffy brush. We'll eventually need nail drill. This is stuffy nail drill. My forms, this color, and poinsettias. Base coat, top coat, my nail file, and brush. These all right here came from the House of Florists collection on McCart's site. The slip solution, the strawberry color, and here. Starting with the prep of my nails is remove my cuticles. I literally have one of these pusher thingies. Then I'm just going to then what I'm gonna do is take my file and I'm gonna go on the more finer side to just buff out my nails. I'm just gonna take some rubbing alcohol because I do not have a dehydrator. Using the curve just because I feel like straights wouldn't work on me. If you know anything about like the differences, let me know in the comments if you think I should be using the straight ones or the curved ones. So for the pinky, I'm gonna take the clear gel. I'm just gonna put this from the side. Before I start, actually, I'm gonna use the base coat. I wet my brush in the slip solution. I'm just gonna tap it on a paper towel to get rid of any excess that may be on there. I'm just going to take this bead, I'm gonna push it down. I started from like the middle because if I do it from the end, it ends up really thick on the end. It is just a tiny layer. I'm just sticking some glitter into this. I think that looks okay. It is kind of cloudy, but it is what it is, you know? And then I'm just gonna cure that under my lamp for like 30 seconds maybe. This is the color I'm using. It's like a jelly. That should be good. Okay, well, now that this is a sticky mess, I think it should be okay to put it on. What I'm gonna do is just make sure I did not go over on the back. I think I'm good. I'm just gonna go through this. Okay, now for the next nail, it's gonna get real messy, I'm just saying. Okay, this is my favorite part. Oh yeah. Okay, don't mind these parts. That's not what I meant to do. Just for now, because it'll get in the way. I'm just gonna wipe this with some rubbing alcohol because it is sticky and annoying. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this clear. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. And make sure you get the sides and like every bit of it. This gets messy like real fast. Okay, now I'm just gonna hold it like this. Tap off the excess. If anyone knows like a better way of doing this, please let me know because it is so messy. I'm using this color. There's so many cute colors in this House of Florists, so I'm gonna have to do so much. The glitter is still like kind of loose, so it's like, yeah, you know? That's good enough for me, I guess. Just gonna put it on. Okay, this one definitely needs some work, but smoothing out the back. I did too much, as I do. Making sure the sides are clean. That looks good. I'm gonna cure it. This would have been satisfying if it would have worked, but we'll see. Okay. I'm just gonna put a bead of the product in there. I don't need too much for this one. keep up for like 30 seconds. On this now, you can see it's like weird. I like pushed it down too hard and it got rid of the product. But I think that's because I did the top clear layer like really thick. So I'm just gonna take this. Oh, there's still like glitter. Anyways, it'll do, I guess. Just a tiny bead. I need to stop doing like so much. Maybe I should put it on the spatula so I know how much I'm doing. As I was saying, if you want to do polygel, you want to learn how to do it, just like do it. I mean, I don't know what else to say, because it's a learning process. That's just gonna have to do. Clean up the sides. Clean up the back if it needs it. That's fine, I'm gonna cure that. Take this one off. This one should be smoother because it's not all messy. Oh, it's looking cute. Now, I'm gonna do the last two off camera. This has already been going on for like an hour. Anyways, they're just gonna be like the pinky. So it shouldn't be too bad. I'll be back. After filing for what felt like forever, it literally was forever, I don't even. Going in with rubbing alcohol. You gotta get all the dust off. Can't be crusty, dusty, musty. So tell me guys, what do you think? Okay guys, also these are my nails after like a week of wearing them. They're definitely grown out and look nasty, but none of them have fallen off yet. So I think I did a good job. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't really have an outro, so I'm just here to say goodbye. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you like them. Give me tips. Help me maybe. And I'll see you guys hopefully next week. Goodbye.